Hello friends, welcome to AKS. Today we are starting with a new topic called Introduction to Space Technology. See, we are discussing Science and Technology series. As a part of it, there are 8 core sectors in which you can put your preparation into. First is biotechnology, space, defense, health, nanotechnology, nuclear technology, IT and computers, and intellectual property rights. This is mentioned in the syllabus, so we will have to deal each of them in detail. See, we have discussed biotechnology in detail already. We have a playlist. It includes both static and latest happenings in biotechnology. See, the questions in biotechnology are becoming dynamic. If you see the last year 2018 question paper, there was a question on biotechnology in agriculture uses. So, we will have to understand what is biotechnology and what are the latest upcomings, and you will have to incorporate that into your preparation. So, we have done that. Biotechnology playlist is there, you can watch for further understanding. Now, we are discussing space. We will also discuss all the other sectors in the coming classes. But first, for time being, we are discussing space technology. We will look into every possible way of science and technology. Our main intention is that we will not miss out with any of the either static or the latest happenings. See, UPSC is 2 steps far ahead from us. Chandrayaan is launched in 2019. The question was asked in 2017. So, we need to be far ahead in our preparations. We need to be very much accustomed to the current affairs. So, we will deal what is space, the present, past and future. So, first let us see what is mentioned in the syllabus of UPSC. First and foremost, science and technology and their applications and effects in everyday life. Next is achievements of Indians in science and technology. Second is indigenization of technology, and third is developing new technology. See, if you see the question paper of prelims 2019, there was a question on volt and LTTE. We will discuss all these things, but the questions are dynamic. It is asking about the technology part. What are the applications of technology? For example, applications of technology of space in different areas, or applications of biotechnology in different areas. So, we will have to understand what is space, what are its applications, what are the different orbits, orbitals. We will look everything into detail. So, in the syllabus it is also mentioned that awareness in the fields of information technology, space, computers, robotics, nanotechnology, biotechnology and issues related to intellectual property rights. In the prelims, if you look at the weightage of science and technology, it varies from 6 to 18 questions, that is approximately 12 to 36 marks, which is huge. In the mains, if you come into, approximately 4 to 5 questions are asked from science and technology, sometimes even greater. So, it accounts to 60 to 75 marks, which is important. And the best part is science and technology can be easily conquered, provided we know the concepts clear and apply latest developments to it. So, we will look into every possible way how the questions can be asked, how it can be answered. We will look into prelims questions, mains questions and how it can be answered in a proper way. We have already discussed biotechnology. So, we will start with space now. So, let us see what are the questions being asked in the past 4-5 years. See, in 2019, the question is, what is India's plan to have its own space station and how will it benefit our space program? So, first and foremost, we should understand what is our space station and what are the applications and how will it be useful for us. See, space station is planned for next 5 to 10 years. So, see, the question are far-fetched, they are very much in advance. So, we will have to understand the recent technologies and the forthcoming technologies to understand the space technology better. We will see. Let us see the 2018 question. Discuss the work of Bose-Einstein statistics done by Professor Satyendranath Bose and show how it revolutionized the field of physics. Let us see the 2017 question. India has achieved remarkable success in unmanned space missions, including the Chandrayaan and Mars Orbiter mission, but has not ventured into manned space mission, both in terms of technology and logistics. Explain critically. So for this question, you will have to know what is human space flight mission, what are the challenges involved, what are the countries which have already been successful, are we able to do it indigenously? There are a lot of questions which we have to answer. So we will look into each and everything. The 2016 question is, discuss India's achievements in the field of space science and technology. How the applications of this technology has helped India in its socio-economic development. This is the question. So we have discussed questions on space technology. We have discussed the questions. We will find out the answers in the coming sessions. So here are some of the Indian scientists who have revolutionized world science. Let us see some of them. Dr. Jagadish Chandra Bose, Prafulla Chandra, Dr. Satyendranath Bose, Dr. Meghnath Saha, Dr. Prasandra Chandra Mahalobis, Dr. Gopal Chandra Bhattacharya, Dr. Anand Mohan Chakrabarti, Dr. Subhash Mukhopadhyaya, Dr. C.V. Raman, Dr. Hargobind Khorana, and Dr. Homi J. Baba, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, and Dr. Subramanya Chandrasekhar, Srinivas Ramanujan, Ashok Sen, Dr. Sankar Chatterjee, Vijayanur S. Ramachandran, Dr. Venkat Ramakrishnan, Dr. Jayant Vishnu Narlikar, and the Missile Man of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. These are some of the scientists. We also need to know their contributions in sciences. We will deal accordingly. For example, Vikram Sarabhai is known as the father of Indian space science. So we will have to deal him in detail when we are discussing space technology. So in that way we will handle everybody, and whoever has done contributions recently who are in news, we will add them. Let us see it in a holistic way. So let us understand what is space and what is space technology. See, space technology is the technology developed by space science or aerospace industry for use in space flight, satellites, or space exploration. So we know space is not normal environment. Space is a novel environment that attempting to work in it requires new tools and techniques. So space technology is vast, as we are discussing. It includes spacecraft, satellites, space stations, and support infrastructure, equipment, and procedures. So let us now see what is space exploration. Space exploration is the discovery and exploration of celestial structures in outer space by developing and growing space technology. While the study of space is carried out mainly by astronomers with telescopes, the physical exploration of space is conducted both by unmanned robotic space probes and human space flights. Like we are trying for Gaganyaan in this way, we are trying to explore space so that it could be useful for the better kind of human beings. Of the all sciences, astronomy and earth science, remote sensing benefits from space technology. See, new technologies originating with or accelerated by space related endeavors are often subsequently exploited in other economic activities. Application of space technology is immense. See, everyday services such as weather forecasting, remote sensing, GPS systems, that is global positioning systems, satellite television, long distance communication systems critically rely on space infrastructure. So space is into every sphere of our lives and it is playing a very important role. Even if you see, we are able to find out Pakistan infiltrators from our space and we are able to conduct strikes like Balakot. So this precision is because of our space technology. So we will have to look into space. We will look into what is the genesis, what is the history of space, what is Indian space program, how it has evolved over time. We will look into every possible way. So on this note, thank you very much. If you have any suggestions, feedbacks or comments, the comment box is open for you. If you have any query, you can put it in the comment box. We will try to incorporate it in the next session. Thanks again.